What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people, Gary here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and chat GPT. Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. So anyway, guys, very simple. And the reason that we promote a $25 business in particular is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income for most products and 80% income for any product that's not recurring. So just a lot of money you can make off of this, and the best affiliate market program I ever seen in my life. So even if you don't use this method to promote it, this is the product to promote. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure you guys see that, hey, these are real numbers. This is what I'm making. All right. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal. We've been doing pretty well lately, so I'm not too worried about it. I feel like we're kind of bringing up a bit. So anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do. Gonna get you your links, and this is the link that I'm using in particular that's working for me. I've tried a few of them. This is the one that got the sale first. You know, the one I've been using all this time, but I was trying them through a line and like sending them, and this one the one that got the sale first, so we're just gonna stick with this one. And yeah, the first thing I need you guys to do is go to the description. You're gonna see two links. There's two steps. Step one, step two. The first step, click on that step, and it's gonna take you to this page. It looks something like this. Now this is the sales letter for the $25 business, guys. And basically it just talks about what it is, what it does, blah blah blah. Now if you're interested in what it actually is, it's a funnel builder for $25 per month. As many funnels as you want and all that. So it's a really good deal, actually. Really good product, very easy to use and all that good stuff, right? Very good product. But that's not the reason that we're promoting it. We're promoting it because it's affiliate program, which is just insane. This is the best affiliate program I've ever seen in my life. You can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions for each person, guys. That's $120 each person. That's insane. I don't know if y'all ever heard that. That's crazy. That's crazy work. You get 10 people, that's rent money for most places. That's close to you get 20 or 30 people, that's rent money in like places like California and New York. You know what I mean? And if you get like you get like 100 people in there, what's that? That's over 6 figures. That's well over 6 figures. So anyway, guys, this is all we're gonna do. We're gonna click on yes, I want in. Once you want to try this out, right? You want to try this out, put in your basic information, blah blah blah, boom, right? $25, get the product, and to be able to promote it. So one thing I want to show you guys is that you click on this link here and get the HBA Premium for 2 weeks for free. Now, the cool thing about getting this product, first let's talk about what the product is real quick, just in case you guys are interested. It just teaches you how to promote this product in different ways, like ads, groups, YouTube, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, and it's constantly updated. Like, for example, LinkedIn wasn't always on the list, right? Then somebody promoted successfully on LinkedIn, and then we learned from that, put that on the course. All right. So basically stuff like that. They also have an AI content creation machine added to further enhance affiliate marketing there to help you promote and stuff. So yeah, it's a ton of tools to help you promote it if you want to. But here's the reason why I say get this, and the reason why we're doing it. Like I stated, the affiliate program is crazy. And this is also 80% recurring affiliate program. So you get $100 if you get people in this system. And the cool thing about this, even though you don't technically have the product yet, you still can get $100 out of this if you get somebody to buy the product, which is insane. Usually, I don't know if you guys know, for anything that's like meaningful, especially like a funnel builder, you really need to have the product to promote the product. But this is like a head start to that. and it's just a really good deal. All right, guys. So complete order, get instant access, boom, right? So you go through the stuff to go and get your links. It's not that hard. It's a ton of videos explaining exactly everything and how the system works and all that stuff. Basically, you signed up to anything, you'll figure it out. So anyway, guys, now we need a way to promote it, and what I'm gonna show you guys is the easiest way to promote this product I have found, period. All right, now that's gonna be my lead gen secret. So you're gonna click on my second link in my description. It's gonna take you to a page look something like this. What is my lead gen secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, guys. So we're just gonna come in here and we're just gonna email them. We've been using my emails lately, right? Third week, my peak, and all that stuff, type of stuff. Let's use this. I'm gonna use this email here. I was thinking about trying to write a new one, but I was like, let's just use this one. I like this one. This one has gotten me a lot of sales as well, so we kind of spam me a little bit. And it's a very simple email. Look at it. Why is our monthly commission so high? Getting to 100K per year income is whether you're working or not is the goal. Get a sale per week and you can get to $100 monthly, yearly monthly income. So if we got 2 sales per week, we'll get to $100,000. Pretty crazy thing, and like you just put that in there, boom, boom, boom. Very short email, very simple email, and that's what you want to kind of focus on. Get started today. We're gonna hit perfect timing, blah. We're gonna hit preview. Now preview, one thing we want to check, make sure the link works. You gotta make sure that link go through. And this is a real simple email that I got just by looking on this and just kind of I got information right here. And I just typed that in. That's all I really did to make that email. I just want to make sure you guys understand how easy it is to make emails, especially when they don't really need to be that long. This is a very short email. And yeah, one more thing, reason why I did this as well is to give you guys a chance to copy this email. If you guys are interested in the email itself, there's a chance for you to copy it right there. So anyway, guys, we do that. We hit perfect time and we send email, boom, done. All right, get it? And that's all there is to it. Now, if you guys, now that's the easiest way to promote this product. Now, you want a more effective way to promote this product. I think the most effective method would be to create shorts, such as TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. Those 3 websites in particular are the sites that I would go and post these shorts on, because they're the most easiest to go viral on. For example, like it's easier to go viral on those 3, and YouTube more so than the other. I mean, TikTok more so than the other 2, but YouTube is much more dedicated, so to speak. Like going viral on YouTube is much more advantageous than going viral on TikTok. All right, so anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.